With a sleek design and stainless steel finish that looks great in the kitchen, this Hotpoint built-in electric oven provides a 71-litre capacity for you to prepare tasty treats. Multiflow heat technology evenly distributes heat throughout the cavity for precise cooking and tasty results. Easily cook a delicious meal whether you're kitchen savvy or new to the kitchen. The touch controls and mono dial offer precision at your fingertips. The touch-sensitive panels give you total control over your oven and are easy to clean, meaning you can maintain full control throughout the cooking process. The tilting grill provides you with greater access to your food and prevents painful burns. As well as being easier to clean, you can prepare bacon, sausages or cheese on toast that will be cooked to perfection. With an A+ energy rating, this Hotpoint electric built-in oven keeps your household bills down, which is perfect if you're watching your carbon footprint.